When it comes to logging, every country has its unique approach, shaped by geography, culture, and the available tools. As a chainsaw operator and content creator, I've always been fascinated by the distinct styles of loggers from around the globe. In this article, we'll explore the tree-cutting techniques of American, French, and German loggers, all united by their reliance on the legendary STIHL chainsaw. American logging. Power meets scale. In the vast forests of the United States, where towering redwoods and Douglas firs dominate, logging is defined by efficiency and brute force techniques. The Humboldt notch is the go-to method for American loggers. It ensures precise control of the tree's fall direction while minimizing wood loss for maximizing timber yield. American loggers gravitate toward high-power STIHL chainsaws like the MS-500R. With impressive horsepower and fuel efficiency, these machines cut through massive trunks with ease. Beyond chainsaws, Americans often incorporate heavy-duty equipment like feller bunchers and skidders to streamline large-scale operations. The motto, work smarter not harder. American logging is fast-paced and results-driven. There's little room for hesitation. It's all about efficiency, safety, and getting the job done. For a logger, the U.S. approach is both exhilarating and challenging. It demands skill, endurance, and a machine that can keep up with relentless demands. French logging, precision with the green heart. In France, logging isn't just about cutting trees, it's about preserving the forest. The French approach blends artistry with a deep respect for nature. French loggers often use a notch and back cut technique, prioritizing minimal impact on the surrounding forest. Selective logging is common, targeting specific trees to maintain ecological balance. STIHL chainsaws like the lightweight MS-261 are popular in France. Maneuverable yet powerful, they're ideal for the delicate work French loggers excel at. French forestry laws emphasize sustainability, requiring reforestation and biodiversity preservation. Loggers must carefully plan every cut to ensure long-term forest health. Logging in France feels almost poetic. Each move is deliberate, each cut a step in a carefully choreographed routine. For content creators and loggers alike, French logging showcases a balance between human needs and environmental stewardship, a harmony that's both inspiring and instructive. Engineering precision. Germany, home of STIHL, elevates logging to an art of precision and perfection. German loggers are masters of efficiency, safety, and planning. German loggers prefer the open-faced notch for its superior control and safety. Every cut is meticulously calculated, ensuring that trees fall exactly where intended. German forestry integrates cutting-edge technology, from battery-powered still models like the Mesa 300 to tools with electronic fuel injection. German loggers embrace innovation. Germany's rigorous safety protocols are unmatched. Loggers undergo extensive training, and their equipment is maintained to exacting standards. German logging is a symphony of order and efficiency. Every move is intentional, every tool optimized for the task. For a chainsaw operator, working in Germany offers a glimpse into the future of logging where tradition meets technology. Regardless of style or region, STIHL chainsaws are the backbone of professional logging. Why? Because they adapt to the demands of different techniques. Models like the MS-500 cater to the raw strength required by American loggers. Lightweight options like the MS-261 suit the precision demanded by French loggers. German loggers benefit from eco-friendly advancements, such as battery-powered saws with unparalleled accuracy. STIHL's commitment to quality ensures that every logger, whether in North America, Europe, or beyond, has the right tool for the job. Conclusion: celebration of diversity. Comparing the tree-cutting techniques of American, French, and German loggers highlights the incredible diversity within the global logging community. While Americans prioritize speed and scale, the French focus on sustainability, and the Germans champion precision. Despite their differences, all share a common tool: the STIHL chainsaw, a symbol of reliability and innovation. For a chainsaw operator and creator like me, this diversity is a reminder of the artistry in logging. It's not just about cutting trees. It's about mastering techniques, respecting the land, and finding the best tools to tell your story. So whether you're in the rugged forests of the Pacific Northwest, the serene woodlands of France, or the meticulously managed forests of Germany, your STIHL is there to help you achieve your goals. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and comment. Subscribe to my channel for more insights into the world of chainsaw operation, logging, and STIHL gear reviews. Let's grow this community together, one tree at a time.
That's heavy.
Thanks for watching, and remember, whether you're felling trees, climbing to new heights, or just starting out, stay safe, stay sharp, and keep on cutting. See you in the next one.